In this quick Xero tutorial, we'll walk you through exactly how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero. This process can save you time and help keep your accounts accurate when dealing with returns, overpayments, or adjustments. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use this feature like a pro. Stick around to the end because I'll also tell you about an exclusive free trial you can access to start using Xero for free with some extra bonuses. First, let's set the stage. A credit note in Xero works just like a refund. It's applied to bills when you need to adjust the amounts owed, either because of a discount, return, or a billing error. Whether you're new to Xero or have been using it for a while, this is a simple but incredibly useful feature to master. Start by logging into your Xero account and navigating to your Bills to Pay screen. You'll find this under the Business menu. Look for the bill you want to apply the credit note to and open it. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can either create a new credit note or apply an existing one to the bill. To create a new credit note, simply click on the New Credit Note button. This will open up a form where you can add the details of the credit note. Select the contact, the date, and most importantly, the items that are being credited. The key here is to match the credit note with the bill you want to adjust. You can adjust the quantities or values on the items if necessary to reflect the exact amount of the credit. Once your credit note is ready, save it, and you'll be taken back to the bill screen. Here's the crucial part, applying the credit note. If you're dealing with a specific bill, click Options and choose Apply Credit Note. Xero will display a list of available credit notes. Simply select the one you want to apply and Xero will automatically adjust the amount on the bill. If the credit note fully covers the bill will be marked as paid. If it's only a partial credit, the remaining balance will still be outstanding. You'll see that your accounts are updated in real time, with the credit note effectively reducing the outstanding balance. This process helps ensure that your accounting stays accurate, saving you time and avoiding confusion later. It's also a great way to manage cash flow, whether you're managing vendor relationships, keeping track of refunds, or dealing with discrepancies in your bills. And because Xero does this all automatically, it takes the guesswork out of your accounts payable. As you're getting familiar with applying credit notes, remember that Xero is packed with features that make accounting more streamlined. From expense management to bank reconciliation, Xero is an all-in-one solution designed to save you time and help you stay organized. You'll want to explore these features further, especially if you're dealing with multiple bills or credit notes in a month. Before you go, here's the exciting part. We've partnered with Xero to offer you an extended free trial, giving you full access to all their features. You can start using it for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. This is your chance to test it out with the added bonus of access to extra resources that will help you maximize your Xero experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial. Start applying credit notes to bills in Xero today, and you'll be managing your finances with confidence.